This is China. A rapidly growing country, and its rise changes the economic pattern of the world. All countries have met the problem of environmental pollution caused by rapid development. China is changing the situation in its own way. China's electric transmission project from west to east is a great plan, but it is possible to transmit the power in extra long distance with the high-end power transmission and distribution equipment. TBEA, the largest transformer manufacturing enterprise in the world. Workers are manufacturing winding, the core components of transformers, and the workers are expertly doing the work which cannot be perfectly completed by machines. This is the unique craftsmanship spirit of Chinese workers, and they can guarantee up to 30 years of the transformer service life of a machine. The core equipment for the world's first commercial 1,000 kilovolt ultra-high voltage transmission line was manufactured by them. They are builders of China's west to east power transmission project. This is a transformer with the highest voltage in the world, and a 1,000 kilovolt ultra-high voltage transmission line is equivalent to 6 large and medium thermal power stations in the load center. Previously, China was only able to manufacture low-voltage equipment, and the components and accessories for high-end equipment relied on import. With our wisdom and creativity, Chinese are always seeking for innovation. TBEA has developed from a small factory to the largest transformer manufacturer in the world. Inherited the achievements of China's transformer manufacturing history, TBEA takes less than 30 years to lead the world's power transmission and distribution equipment manufacturing industry. However, TBEA never stops its pace. The world's first plus-minus 1100 kilovolt transformer to be put into commercial operation is in the process of research and development. TBEA is also applying a brand new method for power transmission and distribution. This is the R&D Center for Voltage Source Converter based on high-voltage direct current. Compared with the traditional direct current transmission technology, the new method solves the problem of phase-changing failure with better stability and a decrease of at least 40% in area occupation. It makes feasible to transmit power in a longer distance. Now, China is devoted to the practice of Belt and Road Initiative, as well as the great idea of global energy interconnection. The new transformer, somehow, is an essential piece of hardware equipment. Currently, TBEA has established cooperation with over 60 countries in the world, providing integrated system solutions for over 20 countries. TBEA wins more honors for China with its fast development. This is TBEA's Digitalized Intelligent Control Center for producing high-purity polycrystalline silicone. The delicate control of temperature could bring higher purity products. TBEA changes the situation of long-term dependence on import of high-purity polycrystalline silicone. and has formed a complete industrial chain from polycrystalline silicone, silicone wafer, voltage source converter based on high voltage direct current to large-scale new energy power plant. With the manufacturing capacity, the company guarantees that it is able to provide a complete set of system integration and energy solution for customers. This is TBEA's High Purity Aluminium Production Workshop. High purity aluminium is an important raw material, and the purity determines the quality of downstream products. The purification used to be the weakness of Chinese manufacturers. However, based on its core technology, TBEA has already produced aluminium ingot with the highest purity in the world, which is 99.99995%. The annual capacity is more than 50,000 tons. High-purity aluminium is an essential raw material for high-end industries such as aerospace and electronic information industry. TBEA has made the breakthrough in this field. High-purity aluminium ingot is also the guarantee for manufacturing quality aluminium foil. These aluminium foils are necessary for high-end manufacturing. China was not able to manufacture a large number of products due to the lack of quality aluminium foil in the past. A few years ago, China had to import all of the capacitors. However, local manufacturing has been realized now. TBEA makes up the domestic blanks one by one. From power transmission and distribution industry to new material industry and new energy industry, TBEA proves its importance to a country and the world with its capability and achievements.